Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a lightweight drone that delivers incredible 4K video without breaking the bank, the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is still one of the best options you can buy. Weighing under 249 grams, this compact drone is incredibly portable and easier to fly under many countries' regulations. It folds down small enough to fit into your backpack, making it perfect for travel, vacations, hiking, and outdoor adventures. The Mini 2 features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, allowing you to capture smooth, cinematic footage even when flying in windy conditions. It records 4K video at 30 frames per second and captures sharp 12-megapixel photos, with support for RAW images if you like editing your shots later. One of its biggest advantages is OcuSync 2.0, which provides a stable HD video transmission of up to 10 km in FCC regions. That means fewer signal dropouts and a much more reliable flying experience compared to many entry-level drones. Battery life is another highlight. Each battery offers up to 31 minutes of flight time, and the Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent batteries, a charging hub, spare propellers, and a carrying bag. That gives you well over an hour of total flying time, making the combo a much better value than buying the accessories separately. For beginners, DJI includes intelligent quick shots like Dronie, Rocket, Circle, Helix, and Boomerang, making it easy to create professional-looking aerial videos with just a few taps. There are a few limitations. The Mini 2 doesn't have obstacle avoidance sensors, so you'll need to fly carefully. It also lacks active track subject tracking found on newer DJI models. If those features are important, you may want to consider newer drones. Overall, if you want excellent image quality, reliable transmission, long battery life, and outstanding portability at an affordable price, the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo remains one of the best beginner drones available. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.